one of the most promising stars in this generation. Beautiful. The Empress of Drama. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Empress Shook. Nagumpisa ang showbiz career ni Empress sa pamamagitan ng teleseryeng Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin sa GMA7, kung saan gumanap ito bilang batang Sunshine Dizon. Noong 2003, nakasama siya sa pelikulang 9 Mornings at nanalo pa ito bilang Most Popular Child Actress sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation. At matapos ang ilang taon, nabigyan ito ng malaking break sa ABS-CBN. Ipinagkatiwala ng network ang kanyang first lead primetime soap na Rosalca. Sa teleseryeng ito, umani ng papuwi si Empress dahil sa kanyang husay na pagganap. Mula noon, tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-usbong ng career ni Empress, mapapelikula man o TV. Sa ngayon, bising-bising ang aktres sa bago nitong afternoon soap na Mundo Man Ay Magunaw at sa Sunday musical show na ASAP.
Ayun, syempre yung Mundo Man Ay Magunaw tuwing 11:30 ng tanghali, Mondays to Fridays, tsaka ASAP tuwing Sunday. Syempre masaya, tsaka proud din kaming lahat kasi nga yung Mundo Man Ay Magunaw, ito yung pinaka-unang kapamilya teleserye na papalabas sa tanghali. Masaya dahil maganda din yung mga feedback, lalo na sa Twitter, nakikita ko. Natutuwa sila sa storya at sa mga cast, kaya natutuwa din naman ako.
Bukod rito, nagkwento rin si Empress tungkol sa kanyang mga co-stars sa naturang soap.
Si Nikki, masaya, parang lumelevel siya sa age ko. Joke lang, pero masaya kasi hindi kami masyadong nakakapag-usap sa ASAP. Pero nung magkasama na kami, medyo naging mas magkakilala na kami. Sila naman, nakakatuwa din. Kahit kasi paano, parang medyo minsan may moment na parang ka-age lang namin sila. So, masaya yung cast namin.
Sa big screen naman, huli siyang napanood sa pelikulang Dalaw. May nakahanda na ba siyang susunod na movie project?
Movies so far, wala pa naman. Pero, ayun, umpisa pa lang kami sa Mundo Man, pero movie, wala pa.
Ibinahagi rin ni Empress ang ilan sa mga kapamilya leading men ang gusto niyang makatrabaho.
Gusto ko si John Lloyd at si Jericho. Kasi parehas na lang yung pinakamagaling na aktor sa, diba, sa kapamilya. So, gusto kong makasama sila.
Bukod sa mga showbiz projects, ikwento rin sa amin ni Empress ang kanilang nakakapagod pero masayang biyahe mula Manila hanggang Ilocos.
Okay naman so far. Kahit medyo malayo from Manila, worth it naman kasi maganda yung mga namin sa, sa Liga. Medyo nakakapagod tsaka medyo malayo kasi ginawa nga namin yung bailan. Pero okay naman, masaya naman kasi parang nakapag-ala na rin kami, parang bakasyon.
At ilan sa mga nagustuhan niyang pagkain ni Loco ay ang
ding-ding. Ding-ding, tama ba? Ayun. Ano ba yung isa? Pipian.
Bago magtapos ang ating interview, kumusta naman ang kanyang love life?
Wala akong love life. Birthday meron. Kapit ang birthday ko, kaya yun yung pag-bibisihan ko.
At para sa kanyang mga tagahanga, ito ang kanyang mensahe.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na manood ng Mundo Man Ay Magunaw tuwing tanghali, 11:30 AM. Sana po panoorin niyo. Hello, this is Empress and it's more fun here in Core TV.
At nakilala po natin si Miss Empress Shook sa ating Celebrity Corner. She is being groomed to be the ABS-CBN's next big star and lead star ng afternoon soap po natin na Mundo Man Ay Magunaw.
Yes. At ngayon naman dumako tayo sa ating off-beat segment kung saan panibagong activity na naman ang ating matutuklasan. Ito ay ang kite surfing. Ayan, na recently nga ay ginanap sa Magsingal, diba? At ito makikilala natin yung mga kite surfing friends natin na sinadalan at Daniel at ang iba pang mga nagka-kite surf sa Magsingal. Kaya kung gusto ninyong malaman ang sport na ito, panuurin po natin ito. Welcome back here in Wake Up Ilocos, and it's now time for our offbeat segment. And right now we're here at Puro Magsingal, Ilocos Sur to feature a new sport that's becoming a trend at perfect na perfect ngayong summer. Kaya tara na, puntahan natin at alamin kung ano nga ba itong sport na ating i-feature today.
Ngayong summer, hanap niyo ba yung mga exciting thrills? Pwes, ibibigay namin yan ngayon. Ilan sa mga napapanahong sports ngayong tag-araw ay ang swimming, sandboarding, surfing, at ziplining. Lahat ng yan ay pumatok, partikular na rito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Sur at Ilocos Norte. Ngayon, isa na namang sport ang pwedeng subukan at pagkaabalahan ng mga Ilocano. Ito ay ang kitesurfing. Ang kitesurfing o kiteboarding ay isang extreme sport sa pinaghalong kiting at surfing. Kaibahan nito, gumagamit sila ng inflatable kite at board na may foot strap o bindings. Ang mga ito ay nakadepende sa lakas ng direksyon ng hangin para sila gumalaw at tumulong. Nagsimula ang kitesurfing mula pa noong 1800s sa katauhan ni George Pocock. Gamit ang isang cart na nakatali sa isang malaking saranggola, nadiskubre nito na pwede palang maitulak ng hangin ang cart habang nakalutang sa tubig. Mula noon, unti-unti itong na-develop hanggang sa maging isang klase ng sport. May iba't ibang estilo sa paglalaro ng kiteboarding. Nariyan ang
old school, which is basically what it is. It's an old style of kite surfing. A lot of the older guys get into it. We keep hooked into the kite. We do a lot of big jumps, turns, twirls, take our board off, put it back on. It's more of a showcase than anything. We then have the freestyle, which is the official sanctioned event, which is all unhooked from the harness. Lower tricks, quite like wakeboarding style. It's a lot more technical and harder. A lot of the younger kids are getting into this. And then we have the twin tip racing, which basically everybody can do. What that consists of is a race around 3 or 4 boys, usually 3 or 4 laps. One is an upwind leg, one crosswind leg, and one downwind leg.
Ilan sa mga kitesurfing sites dito sa ating bansa ay ang Boracay, Siargao, Camarines Norte, Palawan, at ngayon dito sa bayan ng Magsingal, Ilocos Sur. Noong March 31 at April 1, 2012, ay nagkaroon ng kitesurfing competition dito sa Puro Magsingal, Ilocos Sur. Dito ay pinamalas ng ating mga local at foreign kitesurfers ang kanilang galing sa paglalaro ng naturang sport.
Nakikita po natin yung mga competitors natin nandyan na at nagsiset up na ng kanilang mga kites. And this is actually the first time that it's ever going to happen here in Ilocos Sur, and we're so proud to say that here in Puro Magsingal is actually one of the best kitesurfing sites and the best kitesurfing destinations. Okay, so let's take a look at some highlights of the competition. Tara na!
Well, we feel it's one of the best spots in the Philippines. We have a great wind offshore and nice sand beach, no urchins, rocks, great place to hold a competition.
As well as a really nice town atmosphere, really nice people up here in the north.
This event is great for us as the KTA and also great for the locals here in the area.
Bringing more tourism here will actually bring in more foreign currency, which will actually enrich this little town or enrich this area, which we hope will happen.
Nakakamanghang pagmasdan ang mga saranggola sa himpapawid. Kaya naman sinubukan rin ito ng aming mga staffs. At kinagabihan ay pinarangalan ang mga karapat-dapat na nagwagi.
Holds meetings in his RV. I can't afford his gas, so I'm stuck here watching TV.
You guys should try this out. This is an amazing sport. It looks like you need to have a lot of power to do it, but you don't. All your power is in your harness. Anybody can learn from the ages of 8 years and up. Children, women, men, anybody. We've got kite sizes for everybody. You should come here. The conditions here are some of the best in the world. You've got lovely flat water, so it's very easy to learn. Don't be scared. If you can only swim a little bit, don't worry. We can teach you that. You got a life jacket on, and the kite will keep you up.
Take a look at our website, www.veganwatersports.com, and check out the lessons. We have promos on there for people from the Philippines, as well as other promos. Anyone can learn, young, old. Come on out, give it a try, see if it's for you.
Fun for the whole family.
Okay, there you have it, guys. My summer was spent really worthwhile at talagang nag-enjoy ako dito sa ating kiteboarding activity. At eto na nga po, I would like to take this opportunity to thank some people who helped in making this kiteboarding competition possible. Of course, I would like to thank the provincial government of Ilocos Sur, headed by Governor Luis Chavez Singson, Vice Governor D.B. Savillano, Congressman Brian Singson, and of course the members of the provincial board and provincial administrator, Mrs. Maria Victoria Cruz. Thank you so much. And of course, we would also like to thank our sponsors, the Kite Tour Asia and Vegan Kite Center, and we'd also like to thank San Miguel Beer, Ciudad Fernandina Hotel, Hotel Salcedo de Vegan, Vegan Plaza Hotel, and we'd also like to thank, of course, Legacy Super Club. Thank you, thank you. At syempre, ito na po, ang mga tao dito sa Puro Magsingal for helping us out in the setup of this competition venue. Sobrang nag-enjoy po kami. Kaya if you want to know more about kite surfing, contact Vegan Kite Surfing, Vegan Kite Center. They have their email at info@vegankitecenter.com. And if you want to know more about kite surfing, then kung gusto niyo po akong matanong about this kite surfing, pwede po kayo tumawag sa 722-8520. And I hope next year, mas marami pa tayong mga competitors na sasali. At sana naman, next year may mga locals na. Don't go away. Wake up Ilocos. We'll be right back. There you have it. Kite surfing is indeed a breakthrough activity here in our province. Alam mo ba, partner, na itong sport na to has been around for only 10 years pa lang, na parang bagong-bago pa lang talaga siyang sport. At syempre, itong kite surfing na ito ay kumbaga pangalawang ginanap na dito sa Pilipinas mismo. Kasi una sa Boracay, pangalawa dito. And according to those kite surfers from different countries all over the world, ang ating spot dito sa Magsingal, sa Puro, is actually the best in Asia. O, diba? Talagang globally competitive ang ating mga lugar dito, lalo na ang Puro Magsingal, dahil perfect spot siya for kite surfing.
At sobrang nag-enjoy ako dyan sa kite surfing na yan. Siyempre,
oo naman, siyempre nag-enjoy tayo, diba? Yan.
Grabe. And of course, sa pagbabalik ng Wake Up Ilocos, mga tips tungkol sa pagbabudget ang ating pag-uusapan. Yan po ang ating Easy Negosyo. Magbabalik po kami.